Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. C. Blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter. Let's trace and paint them together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Uppercase, A,
Falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones.
uppercase, B,
Sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair
uppercase,
lady.
C, uppercase, D,
Sticks and stones will all fall down. All
uppercase,
fall down,
E,
all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair
lowercase,
lady.
A,
Build it up with wood and clay.
lowercase, B,
Wood and clay. Build it
lowercase,
up with wood
C,
and clay, my fair lady.
lowercase, D, lowercase, E. Let's learn some color names. Red color,
Wood and clay will
orange
wash
color,
away,
yellow
wash
color,
away,
blue
wash
color,
away.
green color,
Clay will
pink
wash
color,
away,
purple
my
color,
fair
brown color.
Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel.
A is for apple.
My fair lady.
A is for ant.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow. My
B is for bat.
fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
B is for ball.
My fair lady.
C is for car. C is for carrot. D is for duck. D is for door. E is for elevator. E is for egg. Uppercase, A, lowercase, A, uppercase, B, lowercase, B, uppercase, C, lowercase, C, uppercase, D, lowercase, D, uppercase, E, lowercase, E. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. 1 baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrapped. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please like and subscribe to my channel.